To ensure perfect hygiene for your patients, we recommend that you change the water filter at least once a month, or more often, depending on the quality of the water and the length of time that your unit has been in use. Replace the water filter and the water inlet seal using the replacement kit and a probe. A detailed instruction manual is included with the kit. On switching the unit off, disconnect the power supply, then the water and air inlets, as well as the foot pedal connector. Take care not to pull the connector safety tab. Place your unit on a stable surface, then unscrew the water inlet connector. Using the probe, remove the old filter and seal. Replace these, starting with the seal, then the filter. Finally, tighten the water inlet connector firmly. Reconnect your unit, starting with the foot pedal connector. Reconnect the air inlet and then the water inlet. At this stage, lest there be a leak, check the correct positioning of the filter and seal. Reconnect the water inlet and end with the power supply. To confirm that your unit is working properly, fit a powder chamber, turn on your unit, set the irrigation flow to maximum, connect an AIR-FLOW handpiece and hold the right pedal down until water flows out of the handpiece. Your unit is now ready for the next patient. If there is a leak, repeat the procedure with a new kit.